Let me start by asking you a question. Why do you dance?
Dance is a stress buster for me.
It's the sense of freedom. I just love to dance and I feel so refreshed, I feel so happy to celebrate and to express myself. Because I think dance is a form of expression. I feel like I can express myself through dance. Okay, I just sort of enjoy with my two kids, 6 and 3. Their feet also start dancing on their own. And we all love the music.
Did you notice how nobody said that they dance to learn steps or they dance to perform on stage? So why is it when it comes to our children or our students, our question completely changes? Which step did you learn in dance class today? Which are the events and festivals our students are going to perform for this year? Oh my God, there is no annual day this year in school? Wait, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying don't let children perform or learn dance. In fact, we are in the field of teaching children dance and we are all for it. All I'm saying is, know what is age appropriate. What do I mean by that? Yeah? When a child begins to write, do we expect them to write paragraphs and paragraphs and also present them beautifully? Just like that, there is more to dancing than just performance. Especially in early years, children should be taught to dance first as a tool to build motor skills, release stress, a source of joy and expression, and secondarily as a performance art. And what do? We do exactly the opposite. We make it all about performance, isn't it? When dance is taught keeping this in mind, the real benefit of dance are unleashed. Confidence, fitness, mental well-being, and you will see how dance can make a huge impact on child's overall development. What you feel when you dance, let your children and your students feel the same when they start dancing. And yes, they will perform, learn steps, and excel in dance as they grow up. So let's change our questions. Did you enjoy your dance class today? Do you want to play music and just dance around? Last but not the least, my favorite statement. I so wish parents and early years educator would say this. Let's not have a grand annual day on stage. Let's just plan a small, cozy event in school to showcase what they've learned during the year and let our children learn dance without performance pressure. Yes, it is a lot of pressure. If you still don't agree, you must try it out and see how it feels. And if you agree to what I'm saying, don't forget to share this video and help us spread this awareness on age-appropriate practices in early years. Thanks for watching. This is Smara Patel, founder of Agile Kids, Rhythmus Happy Feet and Bloomville Early Learning Center. And if you want to know more about how we unleash the real benefit of dance as well as help children excel in dance, do reach out to us.